Princeton, Texas is the fastest growing city in America right now, and we're excited to announce that we're launching a new property right in the heart of Princeton. Introducing the Garrison. This brand new construction set for completion in November is a 4-bed, 2.5-bath home and is designed for one thing: long-term rental success. Complete with modern layouts, durable finishes, and smart home technology, the Garrison attracts quality tenants and maximizes occupancy. Let's dive into the market. So why Princeton? Well, because it's absolutely booming. Population here has surged nearly 30% in just a single year, and it's doubled since 2020. And demand for rentals is skyrocketing in this city. And even with 10,000 homes in development, the market still can't keep up. Plus, home values continue to climb. With a 10-year appreciation rate of over 6%, that's well above the national average. We're projecting 6.1% returns, steady passive income beginning as early as Q1 2026, and long-term appreciation. Plus, RealBrick secured a $40,000 discount on this property, giving you even more upside. Don't miss this opportunity to invest in Texas's most promising investment markets. The Garrison is your chance to grow your wealth with consistent rental income and strong appreciation potential.